Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change a ticket's brand in BoldDesk and the permissions required by agents to do so. In a multi-brand support system, incoming requests are automatically routed to specific brands based on predefined settings in the submission channels, like email or web forms. Clients may come across and use a support channel that may not align with their actual request, routing it to the wrong brand. Being able to change the brand on tickets ensures that each customer interaction is associated with the correct brand. To learn more about setting up a multi-brand portal in BoldDesk, follow the link in the card above or description below. First, let me show you the permission that agents require to change brand of a ticket. I log into my BoldDesk account as an administrator and navigate to the Roles and Permissions module in the Admin Center. Here, you can see a list of roles. To enable an agent to change a ticket's brand, you must activate two specific permissions in the Tickets module: Edit Other Fields and Allow Agent to Change Ticket's Brand. Only users with the Account Owner role have the permissions enabled by default. You must edit roles or create a custom role to enable these permissions for others. To learn more about managing roles and permissions, follow the link in this video's description. Now, I'll show you how to change the brand of a ticket. I navigate to the Tickets module to open the ticket listing page. Here, you will find the tickets with their corresponding brand information. I open the ticket whose brand I want to change. I click the More options in the menu and select Change Ticket Brand. A dialog box appears, displaying the current ticket details. Note that you are not allowed to change the other fields when changing a ticket's brand. Next, select the appropriate brand for the ticket from the Brand drop-down menu. A ticket form specific to the selected brand will open. If you have enabled multiple ticket forms for the brand, you will be required to select an appropriate form to use for the request. To learn more about how to add and manage multiple ticket forms, follow the link in this video's description. Next, I update the ticket's category, assignee, priority, type, tags, and the custom fields. Finally, I click the Submit button to change the brand. Let me demonstrate what happens when a ticket's brand is changed. First, the ticket will no longer appear on the customer portal for the brand it was originally associated with. If the customer tries to access the ticket using its old URL, they will be redirected to the URL with the new brand. In this video, I demonstrated how to change a ticket's brand. I also demonstrated how to update the ticket details and to give agents the proper permissions to change a ticket's brand themselves. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.